Hello, children. Hope all are fine and healthy. Myself, Kokila Bhatia, teaching maths for standard 7th in Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, welcome you all. Let's continue with lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. We have already learnt what are prime numbers, co-prime numbers and twin prime numbers along with practice set 10. Today we are going to learn and understand how to factorize a number into its prime factors. Any composite number can be written as the product of prime numbers. There are two methods of finding prime factors, that is vertical and horizontal. Let us solve practice set 11 and understand how to find the prime factors of the following numbers. Factorize the following numbers into prime. The first sum is 32. In vertical arrangement, you will write 2 into 16, then 16, 2 into 8, 8, 2 into 4, 4, 2 2s are 2 1s are. So the prime factors of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. In horizontal arrangement, 2 into 16. Then you will find the factors of 16, that is 2 into 8. So you will write 2 into 2 into 8. Then the factors of 8 is 2 into 4. So you will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 4. And then factors of 4 is 2 into 2. So you will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So the prime factors of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Second sum 57. In vertical arrangement, 3 into 19. 19 ones are. Therefore 57 is equal to 3 into 19. Horizontal arrangement, 57 is equal to 3 into 19. Therefore the prime factors of 57 is 3 into 19. The third sum, that is 23. In vertical arrangement, 23 ones are. 1 is not a prime factor. So 23 is equal to 23. The fourth sum, 150. In vertical arrangement, 2 into 75. Then 75, 3 into 25. Then 25, 5 5s are. Then 5 1s are. Therefore 150 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. In horizontal arrangement, 150 is equal to 2 into 75. Then the factors of 75 is 3 into 25. So you will write 2 into 3 into 25. Then factors of 25 is 5 5s are. So you will write 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Therefore the prime factors of 150 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. The fifth sum, 216. In vertical arrangement, 2 into 108. Then 108, 2 into 54. Then 54, 2 into 27. Then 27, 3 9s are. Then 9, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then in horizontal arrangement, 2 into 108 is equal to 216. Then you are going to find the factors of 108, that is 2 into 54. So you will write 2 into 2 into 54. Then the factors of 54 is 2 into 27. So you will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 27. Then the factors of 27 is 3 into 9. So you will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 9. Then the factors of 9 is 3 into 3. So you write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So the prime factors of 216 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. The sixth sum, 208 in vertical arrangement. 2 into 104. Then 104 can be split up into 2 into 52. Then 52 can be split up into 2 into 26. Then 26 can be split up into 2 into 30. And 13 is 13 ones are 30. So the prime factor of 208 in vertical arrangement is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. Then in horizontal arrangement, 2 into 104. Then you are going to find the factors of 104, that is 2 into 52. So you are going to write 2 into 2 into 52. Then factors of 52 is 2 into 26. So you will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 26. Then factors of 26 is 2 into 13. So you are going to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. So the factors of 208 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. 765. In vertical arrangement, you will write 3 into 255. Then 255, you are going to write 3 into 85. And 85, 5 into 17. 17, 1s are 17. Therefore, 765, the prime factors of 765 is 3 into 3 into 5 into 17. Now in horizontal arrangement, 3 into 255. Then find the factors of 255, that is 3 into 85. So you write 3 into 3 into 85. Then factors of 85 is 5 into 17. So you will write 3 into 3 into 5 into 17. So therefore the prime factors of 765 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 17. 8th sum, 342. In vertical arrangement, 2 into 171, then 3 into 57, then 3 into 19, 19 into 1. So the prime factors of 342 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 19. In horizontal arrangement, 2 into 171, then find the factors of 171, that is 3 into 57. So you will write 2 into 3 into 57. Then you are going to find the factors of 57, that is 3 into 19. So you will write 2 into 3 into 3 into 19. Therefore 342 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 19. Ninth sum, 377. In vertical arrangement, 13 into 29, 29 ones are. Therefore 377 is equal to 13 into 29. In horizontal arrangement, 377 is equal to 13 into 29. 29 does not have any factors. So the prime factor of 377 is 13 into 29. Last sum, 559. In vertical arrangement, 13 43s are, then 43 ones are. So the prime factor of 559 is 13 into 43. In horizontal arrangement, 559 is equal to 13 into 43. 43 does not have any factors. So the prime factor of 559 is 13 into 43. With this, I complete with practice set 11. I'll continue with this chapter in my next session. Thank you and God bless.